A lot of people say that it doesn't get very crowded here at Parrots North during winter time, but I beg to disagree. We still get lots of people coming to see us and saying good day, don't we guys? Hey, do you want to go camping? You want to go camping? Hello.